Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the differences between the humoral mediated immunity and cell mediated immunity. So let's begin. Coming to the definition of humoral mediated immunity, the immunity mediated by antibodies is defined as a humoral mediated immunity. Whereas the cell mediated immunity is the immunity that is going to be mediated by the cells of the immune system is going to be called as cell mediated immunity. Then what are the different types of cells involved in these two? So, in the mediated immunity, the type of the cells involved are mainly the B cells, and along with the B cells, the T cells and the macrophages are also involved in an indirect manner. Then coming to the cell mediated, obviously the cell mediated immunity, the cells are going to be of T cells, that is T helper cells, cytotoxic T cells, natural killer cells, and the macrophages. Then moving to the type of pathogen that the humoral mediated immunity is involved is it is going to protect against the extracellular pathogens and also the toxins. Whereas cell mediated immunity is going to protect us against the intracellular pathogens. The humoral mediated immunity is going to protect us against the extracellular pathogens, whereas the cell mediated immunity is going to protect us from the intracellular pathogens. Then humoral mediated immunity is going to recognize the pathogens that are going to circulate in the lymph or blood. Whereas the cell mediated immunity is going to respond to any cell that displays the aberrant MHC markers, that is, major histocompatibility markers, including the cells invaded by pathogens, tumor cells, or the transplanted cells. The humoral mediated immunity is going to have the protection or detecting the antigens by the mechanism phagocytes and the antibodies themselves and use it to detect the antigens. That means whatever the cells involved, they are going to be useful in detecting the antigens also. And here in the cell mediated immunity, the receptors and the MHC molecules on the cell surface are mainly used to detect the antigens in the body. Then, in the humoral mediated immunity, B cells produce antibodies and the antibodies binds to the antigens. Whereas in the cell mediated immunity, T cell receptors on cell binds to the T cells, which in turn bind to the antigens. Then in the humoral mediated immunity, B cell receptors are involved, whereas in the cell mediated immunity, T cell receptors are involved. In the humoral mediated immunity, they do not require any antigen processing. That means the antigens are not going to be processed in the humoral mediated immunity. Directly the antibody is going to bind to the antigen. But coming to the cell mediated immunity, antigens must be processed and presented for T lymphocyte mediated response. Then coming to the humoral mediated immunity, antibodies are formed in this humoral response. Whereas the cell mediated immunity, antibodies are not formed in a cell mediated immune response. So here there will be no formation of antibodies. The end result of the activation is the differentiation of plasma cells into B cells secreting the antibodies in the humoral mediated immunity. Whereas in the cell mediated immunity, the end result is the secretion of cytokinins. Then moving to the humoral mediated immunity, extracellular bacterial or viral pathogens are going to be killed or protected against these extracellular bacterial and viral pathogens. Whereas the cell mediated immunity is going to protect against fungus, virus, and intracellular bacterial pathogens. So this is what we had discussed in the previous point. So here they're going to have the fight against the extracellular pathogens and the cell mediated is intracellular. So same thing here they're going to be discussed. Then the humoral mediated immunity is involved in the type of hypersensitivity like type 1, type 2 and type 3 is going to be mediated by this humoral mediated immunity. Whereas the cell mediated immunity is going to be mediating the hypersensitivity type 4. Okay, so the first three types are going to be mediated by the humoral mediated that is immunity, that means antibody mediated, whereas the type 4 is going to be mediated by the cell mediated immunity. And this humoral mediated immunity may be involved in early graft rejection due to the preformed antibodies, whereas the cell mediated immunity participates in the rejection of organ transplants. Then moving to the humoral mediated immunity, it does not provide immunity against cancer as it cannot eliminate tumor cells. But coming to the cell mediated immunity, they are going to destroy the tumor and cancer cells, and it is going to provide protection against the cancer. And the humoral mediated immunity form plasma level of antibodies, whereas the cell mediated is going to have the skin test for the development of delayed type of hypersensitivity. So that's all about few differences between the humoral mediated and cell mediated immunity. Thank you.